Hello friends. Today let's talk about this interesting crypto called the UniSwap coin. In this episode, I will quickly explain what UniSwap is, what is the significance of UniSwap and why it's an unstoppable force, and what the Uniswap governance coin is. Remember, Uniswap as a protocol is different, Uniswap coin is different. Before looking into what Uniswap is, let's brush up a little bit on the basics, shall we? What is the difference between centralized and decentralized exchanges? In a bird's view, a centralized exchange is where there are buyers and sellers. You can sell your crypto if there is a buyer ready and vice versa. The biggest disadvantage of a centralized exchange is security, simply because all the multi-millions of dollars of crypto is stored in a centralized blockchain node that is managed by the exchange. If a hacker is able to break the system, there's a possibility for all the crypto to be stolen. Some popular examples of a centralized exchanges are Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, and many more. A DEX exchange or a decentralized exchange is much more secure than a centralized exchange, as the crypto is not stored in any centralized nodes. You hold your crypto until the moment you decide to trade it. So there is no centralized wallet holding all the crypto. But there's a downside to the decentralized approach. It lacks liquidity to enable instant conversion of tokens. That is, you need a buyer or seller ready with money in hand to facilitate the transaction. Some examples of a DEX exchange are Ether Delta, IDEX, etc. So, what is Uniswap? Uniswap is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. It facilitates automated transactions between cryptocurrency tokens on the Ethereum blockchain through the use of smart contracts. Why is Uniswap better than other decentralized exchanges? Because it eliminates one of the biggest disadvantage of regular decentralized exchanges, that is liquidity. Uniswap is a protocol on Ethereum for swapping ERC20 tokens without the need for buyers and sellers to create demand and liquidity. It does this via an equation that automatically sets and balances the value depending on how much demand there is. Uniswap version 2 was launched in May 2020, enabling direct ERC20 to ERC20 swaps and adding a host of technical improvements. What is the significance of Uniswap? Uniswap is a decentralized protocol for automated liquidity provision on Ethereum. From the trader's point of view, it allows them to trade tokens without any middleman or platform fees, etc., as it's decentralized. From the token owner's point of view, anyone can easily create an ERC20 token and list it on Uniswap. No permission required. Each token will have its own smart contract and liquidity pool, and they can bring in investors to fund the liquidity pool as well. From an investor's point of view, anyone can provide liquidity to any token listed on Uniswap. Whenever someone contributes ERC20 Ether tokens to a Uniswap liquidity pool, they receive a pool token or a liquidity token. Each such pool tokens will earn them a flat 0.3% fee per trade facilitated. Unlike other centralized exchanges that relies on buyers and sellers to create liquidity for a trade to happen, Uniswap uses a simple math equation and pools of tokens and Ether to do the same job. This unique pricing mechanism is called the constant product market maker model. For those interested in understanding what this is, I will create a separate video that goes deep into this topic. For now, let's just understand that Uniswap has a robust and intelligent mechanism to easily execute trades without the requirement for liquidity to be supplied by the buyers and sellers in the platform, which is revolutionary. So what is the Uniswap coin? In September 2020, Uniswap launched its UNI governance token. it didn't airdrop to anyone who had used the protocol before September 1. UniSwap plans to distribute a capped total of 1 billion UniSwap tokens over next 4 years. As a governance token, Uni entitles holders to a vote-in on how the protocol is run. Is UniSwap token a good investment? Let me tell you some interesting facts about the UniSwap token and you decide for yourself. This entire concept falls under the decentralized finance space. If you understand the DeFi landscape and the potential it has, UniSwap should be very interesting to you. In its first week of trading following its launch, the Uni token initially surged from a price of $1 to a peak of over $7 before dropping off by 30% to around $5. The amount of Ether locked in Uniswap similarly raised to $1.6 billion in the first 2 days after the Uniswap token launch. By the 7th day, it reached around $1.9 billion. Uniswap token has a market cap of about 1.44 billion US dollars. Currently, the 0.3% trading fees do not occur to Uni token holders. All trading fees currently only occur to liquidity providers. With the protocol doing over $1 billion of daily trading volume, experts are speculating that the price of Uniswap token will be based on the potential return made through fees should at some point governance decide to enable that. On the other hand, the entire platform has its equal share of risks. Especially any fault in the design of smart contracts may cause loss of funds. So it's always advisable to gain full knowledge of the token you plan on investing in. Understand all the risks and then make your decision. We will be launching more interesting videos soon. If you would like to get notified, please do subscribe to this channel.